As creatives, we are professional self-doubters. And the moment we win, we start to feel like imposters. But here's what I've learned over the years. You have got to figure out your own puzzle. I started off as a dancer, which led me to do music, film, photography, UX, UI, product design, and do business within tech and media. And I have struggled for years to become a full-time creative professional and get my business up and running. But eventually it led me to the point where I am today. I've stood on world stages, crossed paths with some of the greatest in the creative industries, and I've launched products that are being used by millions of people today. And it didn't happen because I was stuck on this one thing. It happened because I was open within my creative journey. So if you ever feel like you're all over the place, maybe that's not a problem. Maybe that's your power. Just connect the dots and figure out your own puzzle.